I present you with our latest flagship, Xperia 1 Mark III. It is a beautiful, powerful device full of features that is created to excite our communities of interest. For photographers, our award-winning autofocus gets further enhanced with greater reach and tracking capability than never before with the world's first variable telephoto lens in a smartphone. If you are a cinephile on the go or filmmaker, we have a world-first 120Hz 4K HDR OLED display to give you the quality you have never seen in the smartphone. For mobile gamers, you are now equipped with even more audio and visual technologies to conquer your games for a better chance of winning. For audiophiles, for the first time in a smartphone, our built-in speakers can reproduce 360 reality audio for an immersive experience where every note surrounds you just as it was intended. This is just a taste of all the enhanced features in the latest Xperia, made possible by the valuable feedback we have received from our community of interest around the world.
We are excited to bring you the world's first 120Hz 4K HDR OLED display ever built onto smartphones. And of course, you will enjoy movies with Dolby Atmos, an immersive multi-dimensional sound technology tuned in collaboration with Sony Pictures Entertainment. With the 21:9 cinema-wide display, you get to spot your opponents before they do, and the game enhancer with dazzling features is designed to help you play to win. Of course, the Xperia 1 Mark III is optimized with the Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite Gaming for superior gaming performance, and the display gets even better with its new 120Hz refresh rate, reducing blurring even during fast-paced gaming sessions. What's more, we have added low gamma laser to make it easier for you to spot opponents hiding in the shadow. We know that the audio matters just as much for winning. So we have built in an audio equalizer that lets you control what sounds to emphasize and to mute, like the footsteps of an opponent approaching you can be now heard clearer than before. With 3.5mm audio jack, you can simply plug in and enjoy the music with clearer left and right channel separation. We have a large 4500 mAh capacity with further enhanced 3-year long-lasting lifespan battery. Of course, it has Qi wireless charging. It runs on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform. The beautiful design is achieved with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, the toughest Gorilla Glass ever applied to Xperia, and it's rated IP65-68 for protecting it from accidental spills and sudden rain.
Now let me recap the lineup. The flagship Xperia 1 Mark III comes in frosted black, frosted gray, and frosted purple, and will be available in early summer. The Xperia 5 Mark III is available in black, green, and pink, and will be launched in early summer. Finally, Xperia 10 Mark III comes in black, blue, white, and pink, and will be available in early summer. And of course, we have covers to protect your smartphones in matching colors too.